Between 1995 and 2005, world chemical production increased by almost 40%. However, over 95% of that growth was concentrated in developing countries. Therefore, we cannot deny the fact that Europe's competitive position is at risk.
It's time that we wake up and that we realize that the challenges coming from outside are very strong, and it's not an improvement that we feel today in business life that we would justify that we sleep. We have to wake up and work hard, being more innovative.
New centers of gravity will be developed outside traditional industrial countries in new emerging markets, in particularly Asia and Middle East.
The chemical industry, being a very important industrial sector on its own, has to be part of the transformation of society which the world is facing up to. And therefore I think it is indeed a fundamental pillar in everything which we undertake.
People always say chemical industry is bad industry, is old industry. That's not true, because today the chemical industry often lies at the basis of green products and green services.
If we do not support the chemical industry, we will disable other manufacturing industries, the services sector, and the European citizens' better life. We have to, however, respect the hard trends of the limited resources.
It is part of your challenge to use less resources. The other is, of course, that you make so many different products. Many of those products can indeed also help to use resources less elsewhere.
Innovation driver for the automotive industry is the chemical industry. Innovation driver for the food industry is the chemical industry.
I think it's of key importance for the chemical industry, following societal needs, and one of that is sustainability, and as such we talk a lot about greening of production, making things more efficiently, doing more with less, cradle-to-grade approaches, and all of this is very important to the chemical industry.
A good example is a smart home, which is one example there where innovation is not only research-driven as in the past, but bringing together the whole value chain from materials to real estate companies to house builders.
Without this growth, and your industry is an important factor, an important example of this growth, without this growth, our social model, our social security system, and our general way of life, which is typical for us in the European Union, which binds us all together, is probably unsustainable.
If we want to solve a societal issue in Europe, I think we need to take a leadership role as industry to help to solve these issues. We participate to different stages in the value chain, and that's by working with other companies, with other chemical companies, our customers, our suppliers, that will help Europe to solve the different issues that we face today.
We have to act now and to recognize very fast the segments of the industry we believe that will be winners for the future, and then really full speed eliminate barriers, try to have a really European policy and not a policy country by country plus Europe, but really a fully integrated R&D and innovation policy. I believe it's really urgent.